Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So itolo guys big number rumors circulator kulathi awusijiva ukanye kubeda Amanda Blends ngemaqansi kwatrend njena. People even started saying ukuthi we now believe ulady Zama ngalesikhani athi usijiva wamhlukubeda angekwemaqansi yaduma indzaba uyabamlilo lubhebhetheka ngendlela lesimanga uthi Amanda Black makayabhala laphana ku-Instagram uthi, hi everyone, Sjava did not sexually assault me. I have no idea where these rumors came from, but they are not true and they did not come from me. She was basically just clearing the air ukuthi hayibo guys, ngiyade mina lento lekhulunywa ngosishava ukwangihlubeta ngemaqansi angiyathi lento iqhamukaphi and akuseliqiniso lelo and akakasi sijava akwende lokho kimi. And people started saying ukuthi, oh thank you for clearing the air, siyabonga guys. Siyathi ukuthi i-career Lady Zama yafa kanjani ngalesikhani athi usijava wamhlubeta ngemaqansi. People started bashing and dragging the girl. They hate that girl even today. To post that TikTok, Instagram, people will always mention this Java. People will always say wena you almost ended the career as Java. Bamzonda till today. Yet we don't even know ukuthi this is true or it's not. So guys, like doing way too bad. We cannot take sides, of course. We cannot say ukuthi she was lying, and we cannot say ukuthi usijava wakwenda vele lokho because asati we were not there. But Lady Zama bayamncenga even till today. But Black, Amanda Black yena uthi yo ayibo ngiyadumile lento ukuthi eqhamukapi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. So goodbye.